In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to suppress emails in bulk using Klaviyo. Suppressing emails can be an essential step in managing your audience, ensuring that you are only targeting those who want to hear from you and maintaining compliance with email marketing regulations. If you're ready, let's go through this process step by step. To begin, you'll first need to be on your Klaviyo homepage. If you're not there yet, take a moment to log into your account. Once you're in, you're going to look for the Audience section. It's usually located on the main navigation panel on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on Audience, and you'll be taken to a new page. Next, find the option titled Lists and Segments. This area is crucial because it contains all of your lists and segments, allowing you to manage your contacts effectively. Click on Lists and Segments, and then you'll gain access to all the lists and segments you have set up within Klaviyo. This step is where you can start deciding which of these lists or segments you want to suppress. Now go ahead and locate the specific list or segment you wish to suppress. Once you've found it, you'll need to click on the three vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options menu, which can be found next to the list or segment name. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you're going to choose Suppress Current Members. After clicking Suppress Current Members, the system needs a confirmation for this action, as it will stop emails from being sent to anyone on this list. Therefore, you will then see a prompt or a dialog box pop up. Look for the option labeled Bulk Suppress and click on it to confirm your decision. By following these steps, you have now successfully suppressed emails in bulk in Klaviyo. This process will help you maintain a clean and compliant email list by reaching out only to interested recipients. It can also boost your open and click rates since your emails are going out to a more engaged audience. Remember, managing your email list consistently is key to effective email marketing. Always keep an eye on engagement metrics and periodically check your lists to ensure they're up to date. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Klaviyo's support resources are a great place to turn for help. That's it for today's guide. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful.